Okay, so there it's out of the light, and I'm going to go over it one more time just to get everything coated with the Urban Graffiti shiny top coat. There we go. And then I'll come back when that's done and show you the result. Okay, there you go. They turned out pretty good. They're super bright and cheerful, and they're going to match a lot of summer stuff. I'm excited about them. Super fun. You get a really nice fade. And it's easy. You just get texture, that's all. So you can see how it's kind of bumpy. You could do stars or stripes or anything. Let me know if you have any questions or if I missed anything that was, obvious. Again, we used Urban Graffiti and STAEDTLER chalks, soft pastel chalks, and Heinz brushes. See you soon.